Hey everyone! Today we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. Let's start with ostentatious. Imagine someone wearing all gold clothes, a giant fur coat, and a crown, just to go to the grocery store. That, my friends, is ostentatious. It means trying too hard to show off how much money you have or how important you think you are. It's all about being super flashy and attention grabbing in a way that's a bit much, pedantic. This one describes someone who corrects every little mistake they see, like that friend who keeps pointing out typos in your texts. They love to focus on tiny details and can be annoying with their nitpicking. Pretentious is like someone who brags about how smart they are by using big words they barely understand and acting like they're better than other people. They might name drop famous people they've never met or talk about all the complicated books they've read that they maybe skimmed. Basically, they're all talk and no action, condescending. This one is all about talking down to someone, like you're explaining rocket science to a toddler. It's when someone acts superior and implies you're not smart enough to understand something. It's a super patronizing way to talk to people. And let's be honest, nobody likes a condescending know-it-all. Finally, we have obfuscate. Imagine you have a simple message, but you bury it under layers of complex jargon and unnecessary fluff. That's obfuscation. It means to deliberately make something obscure or unclear. Like a politician giving a speech that uses so many fancy words, you have no idea what they're actually saying. All right, that's your vocabulary lesson for today. Now you can go out there and impress your friends, or maybe just confuse them a little, with your newfound knowledge of these fancy words. But remember, using big words isn't about showing off. It's about using them clearly to communicate like a normal human being. So, keep it simple, keep it real, and we'll see you next time for another round of vocabulary fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.